Hello friends, now today we are having with us Miss Tanvi Azmi, was cracked the interview for the Bandhan Bank for the post of assistant manager. Now she is going to share you her interview experience and thoughts to you. Now aspirants, please watch the full video and build your strategy on behalf of this. Welcome Tanvi over here. Thank you very much on behalf of Innovative Test for accepting our invitation to attend this webinar.
Thank you, Costa, for inviting me. And it's my pleasure that I can share my views with such a stage where people can reach, aspirants can reach, and they will get an idea about the what kind of companies are here and about the requirements of the company. So it's a pleasure for me also.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's then we go to the main point. That how did you prepare yourself
Yeah.
for crack this interview?
It's not a journey of one night. It's a journey of months and months. So basically, I was very much into banking sector and very much interested into banking sector. So if you really want to appear for any banks, you need to do a background research or research about the banking industry. So the banks are the parts of an Indian economy. We all know that it's a backbone of Indian economy. So do some research about the banks. What about their contribution to the Indian economy and the recent news that particular bank where you can want to appear, like I wanted to appear for Bandhan Bank, so I did research about the Bandhan Bank, what was their achievement, and it was a very much a new bank. From 2015 they have started their journey as a bank. So what was their strategy and how their growing strategy, like we all know that they are very much growing sector, growing bank in banking industry. So their strategy, their achievement, about their contribution to the economy, a little research about the banking industry, and that's the way I prepare myself for Bandhan Bank.
Okay, as I know that you did your internship from one of the bank, so I think this has helped you a lot for preparing for this one.
Yes, basically the interest to work on in a bank, that interest creates in my internship. Basically, one of my internship I have completed in a well-known bank. So from that time, I realized that I have some skills, and I think that skills is required in a bank. So I need to appear for bank. So it helps me a lot to
Oh,
realize my skills.
okay, that's great. So my second question to you: the how did you prepare your resume with respect to the JD? Means have you mentioned any gloomy points over the resume for by which you can create a good impact at the first sight?
My resume was very strong, I can say, because as you know, I have done my internship in a banking sector. So in my resume, in winter internship I have done in banking sector. So the customer relationship building and the skills were mentioned in my CV. And in Bandhan Bank was came for a profile as CRO, customer relationship officer. So they also need some skills who has there were the requirements of customer relationship building, how much you can handle the customers problems, and how you are solving their problem. So they actually required this kind of students, looking for this kind of students. So I tried to mention those skills in my CV, that I can handle customers in a better way, and how I can handle customers. So these are the skills I have mentioned in my CV. This
Okay.
helped me a lot to create the attention of the invigilator or the interviewer.
Okay, that's nice. So my third question to you: that what is the round over there? How many rounds were there?
There were three rounds. First one is group discussion GD. The second round is psychometric test, and the third round was personal interview.
Okay. So if I go for the JD part, what is the topic?
Actually, they were given to us a problem, a case study, and from that case study, you have to give some solutions to them. those that was my case study. There was no a particular GD topic. Basically, they have given a case study based GD.
Okay, the latest topic means latest style of taking a GD round, because you have to giving a
Yes,
problem, either it will be 1 or 2 pages, then have to give the solution to them. That's nice.
exactly.
And how many group members were there in the GD round, and out of which how many were selected?
There were 14th member in a group, and six of them were selected from our group itself.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, so the ratio of the selection is just 3:7.
yes.
Also, it was a huge tough competition over there, and you have cracked that. So congratulations to you.
Because in our because in our group, most of them have done one of their internship in banking sector or in a financial sector. So it was very tough for us to compete that group.
Okay, and another thing that you have also done your internship in one of the renowned FMCG company. So I think this also helped you a lot, because as you know, your post is the customer relationship officer. So maintaining the customer relationship over there, you have to get to the bottom line, means have to meet the end customer. So that internship helping you a lot, for as well as for the cracking the interview, as well as for the present situation, means as you are working.
Exactly. Internship was also helping me a lot, because in that particular internship, I had to do the interaction part. And right now, I am only interacting with the customer, and the in that internship also I had to do the same thing. So yeah, that helps me a lot.
Yeah. So Tanvi, now we'll come to the main part, the PI part. What is the first question did they ask to you?
They actually wanted to ask me that why bank, but they went through to my CV and they saw that I have done my internship in bank. So they asked me that what was my project in that particular bank. So I need to describe my project to them and what have I done in my internship. And actually my project was to convert customers to digital banking. So they asked me that how many people I have converted to digital banking. So this was my first question.
Okay. They mostly concentrated on the operation part, as well as the how you did the business development for the respective company. So
Exactly.
what is the next question?
The next question was, what do you know about Kolkata Bandhan?
Actually, the Bandhan Bank headquarters is located at Kolkata, and you are also from Kolkata, so you know better.
Exactly. So they asked me that what do I know about Kolkata Bandhan Bank and what do I like the most in Bandhan Bank. So as I know that they want a customer relationship officer, that means I have to create the relationship. I have to look about the service. So I said them that I like about the Bandhan Bank service quality to their customer, how they serve the customer, and as we all know, the USP of Bandhan Bank is they serve to the poor people, the middle class people, and as well as the upper class people also.
Okay.
So I focused on that particular point in my second question,
Okay. You can
and
just
I was lucky that that was my last question also.
Oh, that's great. So let's jot down those points that the first internship, bank, means the total banking operation. Second, FMCG means business development, channel management. So these things have helped you a lot.
Yes, it
Okay.
helped me a lot.
Okay. So if you can elaborate us that what is the current means total work schedule of you?
Currently, my work schedule is that my timing is 9:30 to 6, and the customer service timing is 9:30 to 4:30. So we had to sit for the customer service desk and the operational work, like the transactional part of the customers. Like we all know that NEFT, RTGS, everything, every transaction part was done by us, and we had to serve from 9:30 to 4:30 to the customer. After 4:30 we need to do all the rest of the part, like the verification part and the other works of the bank.
Means the
So we
closing
need to
part.
do those things till 6, exactly, the closing part till 6. And I have been into the tailor part also. Sometimes I have to sit for cashier as a cashier, so I need to serve money to the customer, and after 4:30 I close all the cash part. We need to look for the ATM part also, because there is a ATM attached with our bank, so we need to see that part also. These all the works I had to done. And the second thing also, we need to look for the business part also, because it's in banking it's not only about the operation, it's about the sales also. That the savings account, current account, these are the business of a bank, so we need to focus on this also. Every walking customer is our opportunity that we need to cross sell to them. And these are also my work schedule. So the operation and the sales, we can say the.
Now we're coming to the last part. That is that I just mentioned three key points to our aspirants who will go for cracking the Bandhan Bank interview process.
I not only in Bandhan Bank, I will say if any bank you want to appear for, this will help you a lot. The first thing is be confident. Be confident. Like if you want to appear for any particular company, suppose it's Bandhan Bank, be confident that you want to appear for only that particular company only, and be focused, because if you want to come for banking industry, be focused for banking industry. Do prepare yourself for banking industry. It's not very tough. Just you need to be very much aware of the general knowledge, what is going around you. And the economy part, we all know what is going on in the Indian economy, so you just need to be very much aware of these things. This is not very tough, so be focused. And the third thing is, if you want to appear for customer relationship officer or in front desk job, definitely be confident and keep smiling, because smile help you a lot. If any customer is buzzed into your office and they started shouting at you, only your smile can help them, only your smile can calm them. So be confident and be focused. What do you want in your life, and what do you want to become in your life?
That's great. That's nice. Thank you, Tanvi, for over here. Thank you. We have got a very much good insight from your end. Now, as parents,
Thank you
please.
so much.
Okay, that's great. Now, as parents, please build your own strategy from our experts' voice, and you also can connect to Tanvi Azmi, to Ms. Tanvi Azmi, by 1:1 for the 1:1 consultation. I'll be mentioning the total LinkedIn profile and her mail ID in the description box. Please go through that. Thank you very much for watching this video.